Many of you have seen me up here before, and I've had quite an story arc here as a member of Detail A Proud. And the first time that you saw me was right before we went into that weird thing called the Upside Down. The next time you saw me was our very first time being out of the Upside Down, and I played a little movie for you that we decided to make in lieu of the pandemic lockdown version of Detail A Proud. And when I came back the next year, I was able to videotape the very first time that the trans chorus was able to perform live since the lockdown had happened, and we recorded that, and that became the actual finale to our movie, which is called Proud in a Pandemic. And so tonight, I am over the moon happy to introduce you to my new daddy.
Well, so all of you guys, if you haven't, please download Reverie or watch on whatever connected TV or app that you have, because we're really super excited to announce the premiere of Proud in the Pandemic on Reverie on Friday, October 20th! So definitely check it out and watch. You can watch Reverie for free. We're so honored and excited to be distributing this amazing, amazing film about all of this great platform and all of this great queerness that we have in downtown Los Angeles!
We couldn't be more happy to be with the Reverie family. They have been supporting us from the very get-go. In fact, they played our trailer when we went from our cars. We had a car drive-in.
Yes, that was 2020. Oh my gosh.
So thank you all for your support. The one thing that I'm most proud about our movie is that you helped make it. It's your support for Detail A Proud that helped fund the movie. It's your support for Detail A Proud that made you in the movie, so you might be in there. And it's your support for Detail A Proud that will help launch it into places where everybody can see it. So thank you once again to our Detail A Proud family, to Rep.
We love you.
And to Oliver.
Yes.
When you see Oliver tonight, give him a big hug of congratulations. He's back putting out a fire someplace. Not a literal fire. The fire marshals are here. Don't you all worry. Thank you all. Happy Pride.
Happy Pride.
Have a good night.